kahit pa sa October pa ang start ng 50th season ng PBA ay may mga nakikita na tayong pirmahan ng mga bagong kontrata at movements. Ngayon pa lang buwan ng Agosto, no? Just a few days after matapos yung 49 season ng PBA Philippine Cup Finals. At Mabuhay Pilipinas, ako po si Ruben Terrado. Thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel and thank you for also reading our stories sa spin.ph. At ito na nga, no? Meron na nga mga pirmahan ng mga bagong kontrata. Ngayon pa lang ay meron ng mga players na nag-extend ang kanilang mga kontrata. At isa na dyan, si Brandon Ganuelas Roser na nakapirma ng 2-year extension with TNT following their campaign sa Philippine Cup Finals na kung saan natalo sila, no, kontra sa San Miguel at hindi nakuha ng tropang 5G yung Grand Slam. But despite that, dahil sa impresibong showing ni BGR nung finals, ay nakakuha siya ng contract extension with the tropang 5G. No? Nakita natin nung finals ng Philippine Cup, he averaged 12.2 points and 3.0 blocks. At dahil nga sa pinakita ng big man na si BGR ay nakakuha siya ng contract extension dito sa TNT. No? At tuwan-tuwa naman ang management ng TNT sa pag-extend nila ng kontrata ni BGR. At sabi nga ni team manager Jojo Lastimosa, management is extremely happy on how he came out despite having not played a long time and getting into battle in the playoffs with no time to work himself slowly back. Dahil nga galing tong si BGR from an ACL injury noong 48 season at itong 49 season naglaro lang siya nung Philippine Cup and one conference lang siya dito sa 49 season, but still habang tumatagal ay nagiging impresibo yung laro ni BGR and he showed that during the final series against San Miguel na kung saan yun nga nabanggit natin yung kanyang numbers both offensively and defensively. Naging key player si BGR para sa tropang 5G during their campaign in the Philippine Cup. And he will be crucial for the 50th season of the PBA dahil nga may injury itong si Poy Eram and he will be likely out na for the 50th season, no, dahil sa kanyang ACL tear na kanyang nakuha during the finals against San Miguel. And dahil nga dun sa absence ni Poy Eram for the next season ay mas kailangan ng TNT itong si BGR. So again, BGR, si Brandon Ganuelas Roser signing a 2-year contract extension with TNT tropang 5G. And kita nyo yung sa kanyang ito sa ating litrato, no? BGR signing the contract with TNT team manager Jojo Lastimosa, and then yung kanyang agent ni BGR si Charlie D, and yung Mrs. ni BGR was also there to witness the signing of the new contract of Brandon Ganuelas Roser, no? Moving naman to Barangay Ginebra, at si Isaac Go signs a 1-year extension with Barangay Ginebra. So ito ay after na naglaro lang ng 7 games itong si Isaac Go para sa Barangay Ginebra during the 49 season dahil nung Governor's Cup ay nagkaroon siya ng knee injury early in the season, at since then hindi na natin nakitang maglaro si Isaac Go, no, for Barangay Ginebra. Present siya sa mga games ng Barangay Ginebra, but mostly nandun siya sa bench, no? Either sa bench or sa likod ng bench ng Barangay Ginebra. And with this contract extension ay mukhang nalalapit na yung pagbabalik ni Isaac Go dahil hindi naman siguro pipirmahan ng contract extension si Isaac Go kung hindi na siya ready, no, for the next season. So well, we can expect na si Isaac Go ay babalik na for Barangay Ginebra next season, and he will be a vital piece, no, for Ginebra, especially sa front court, no, with Christian Starnhardinger being traded prior to the 49 season. Ay ito sanang si Isaac Go yung papalit sa slot na yon, but Ayun na nga, absent si Isaac Go for most of the season and only playing 7 games with Ginebra. At nagkaroon ng kakulangan sa ilalim, no, itong Barangay Ginebra with only Japet Aguilar as being the primary big. Si Ben Adamos din naman, big man din for Barangay Ginebra, but again, medyo kulang, no? Kulang yung presence sa ilalim. And even Raymond Aguilar, also part of Ginebra, but once again, kulang nga itong depth ng Barangay Ginebra in terms of the forward and center position. So this will be big, no, itong potential na return ni Isaac Go dahil nga nakapirma siya ng 1-year extension with Barangay Ginebra. And then going to Blackwater, no, Richard Escoto and Troy Malilin sign a 2-year extension with Blackwater, no. Pareho po silang pumirma ng 2-year contract with Blackwater. And itong si Richard Escoto, in a way, nag-improve, no, based from the way Coach Jeff Carriazo used him during the 49 season. Ay nakikita natin na mas lumaki yung role ni Richard Escoto for Blackwater for the 49 season. Ito naman si Troy Malilin was signed by Blackwater, I believe, before the start of the Philippine Cup. Pumirma si Troy Malilin with Blackwater after being relegated sa unrestricted free agent with rights to salary ng San Miguel Beermen, but eventually ay na pinili na ni Troy Malilin na maglaro sa ibang koponan, and he signed with Blackwater before the Philippine Cup, and now he has signed a 2-year extension with Blackwater. So again, Richard Escoto and Troy Malilin back with Blackwater after signing a 2-year contract extension. And staying with Blackwater ay nagbabalik si Paul Zamar sa Blackwater, and he signed a new contract with the Blackwater bossing, no. At the moment, di pa natin alam yung terms of the contract, but again, Paul Zamar is returning after playing for Blackwater in 2018, no. And prior to that ay naglaro siya sa ABL, and finally he got the break with Blackwater, no, signing pumirma siya sa Blackwater in 2018, and now he is back with Blackwater after playing for different teams including yung San Miguel and itong recently yung Northport, no. And Paul Zamar is expected to come back now after sustaining an ACL injury during the 49 season. So once again, Paul Zamar goes back to Blackwater, signing him to a new contract now for the coming 50th season. So ngayon pa lang, no, very busy na yung mga teams, especially yung mga koponan na hindi pinalad, no, for the 49 season, and even yung mga pinalad, no, TNT nag-beef up na agad with BGR being signed to a contract extension, and then si Isaac Go 1-year contract, and then itong Blackwater getting Paul Zamar and then giving Troy Malilin and Richard Escoto an extension. So diyan na po nagtatapos yung ating mga binalita, no, balita natin, the early signings for the 50th season ng PBA. Maaga pa lang ay nagbi-beef up na po yung ibang mga koponan dito sa PBA. Thanks for watching our video. Again, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.